Welcome to our town, Lazarevac. Currently, I'm walking through our town center, which is the main street of our town. Also, this is the place of most frequent events. Almost every day you can see people spending their free time here, especially when the weather is nice. This is our well-known fountain, It is usually the meeting place of young people. Also, in the summer, when the weather is nice, and on some special Serbian holidays, people from Lazarevac organize concerts and shows here on the stage. At the moment, I'm standing in front of our library, It was built in 1949 and it has more than 95,000 books. Our library also organizes many events, and one of the most famous is Humor Festival for Children.
Lazarevac is a municipality of the city of Belgrade. It is home to around 25,000 inhabitants, while the municipal area has around 55,000. The city has 3 elementary schools, Vojislav Savić, Dule Karaklajić, and Knez Lazar, and 3 high schools, Gimnaziju Lazarevcu, Technical School Kolubara, and Musical High School Marko Trajčević. There are several reasons on how Lazarevac got its name. One of the reasons was it was named on the 500th anniversary of the Kosovo battle, where Lazar Hebeljanović died, but according to folklore, it was named after the Lazar Saturday. According to the story, it was named after the Knez Lazar Tavern, which was actually never located in the settlement, and the legends say that the king named it while he was visiting the area.
Hi, I'm Anna. Today we are in the front of the church of St. Demetrius. Demetrius construction of the church started in 1938 and was finished in 1949. The church was built in Neo-Byzantine architecture style by the project of Russian immigrant architect Ivan Afanasievich Rik.
On the lower floor of the church is a memorial ossuary where the bones of the soldiers killed in the battle are kept.
The Battle of Kolubara was one of the biggest and most important battles between Serbia and Austria-Hungary. It was fought in the First World War in November of 1914. The ossuary is unique because besides Serbian soldiers, it also holds the bones of the opponent Austro-Hungarian soldiers.
Hi, my name is Lana, and today I'm standing in front of our local culture center. The center was founded in 1977 and it serves many different purposes. Inside, there is a main theater stage where you can watch movie screenings, plays, book nights, concerts of all genres, and so on. Also, there are sometimes exhibitions held in the lower part of the building, as well as concerts in front of it. We are currently at the Modern Gallery. The first gallery was opened in 1970 and it was called Contemporaries. It was opened as a result of a contract between the city and the collector, Miss Leposava Lepa Perović, who donated her collection of paintings to the city. The collection then consisted of 60 artworks, mostly made by Yugoslav artists in the 20th century. Today, the gallery consists of more than 400 different paintings, among which there are 93 paintings in the permanent setting. Besides the permanent setting, there are also different kinds of exhibitions, as well as creative workshops for children and young people, different types of concerts, presentations, and so on.
I am currently at one of my favorite fast food restaurants in our town, and it's Desetka. It's not the only one in our town actually, but it's one of my favorites. Also, you can come here with your friends and spend time and eat delicious food with them. But also you can visit some of my favorite cafes. My favorite ones are Pop, Ambient, Java, and more, but there are too many. Also, if you like clubbing, you can go to Club London, but it's 16 plus. Those are my favorite places to hang out at, and I hope one day you can visit them and enjoy.